Good morning, children. You are back with your maths class. Shoini ma'am is back. Now, welcome my dear children. Welcome to your class. Now, today I am going to do mental maths. You know your mental maths book? This one is your mental maths book. See all of you, this one is your mental maths book. So, I am going to start your mental maths book. But listen, my dear children, mental maths means you have to do it mentally. So, there are certain techniques. I'll try to teach some to you, and you have to take 15 minutes of time just to complete this sums. One page, 15 minutes time, not more than that. 10 minutes, well, very good. So, don't take more than 15 minutes to complete one page. I'm showing you the sum, how to do the sum. I'll show you some techniques, but the sums you have to do it yourself. Okay, my dear children? So let's proceed. Now, first one, this is exercise 1. So first sum is add 7 sets of 9 to 80. 7 sets of 9. This means what? 7 sets of 9 means 7 multiplied by 9. That is 7 nines are. You know all of you what is 7 nines are. I am not going to tell you. 280 means 280 you have to do it. Now whatever the answer will come, you have to write it over here. You can see it very nicely. Add 7 sets of 9 to 80. Shadow is coming. Now, this is how you have to do the sum. Now, see this one. The second sum is 3000 minus 100 minus 10. So, 3000 minus 100. Now, my children, they are telling, yes, ma'am, we can do it. 3000 minus 100 is 2900. Very good, my dear children, 2900. With that, you have to minus 10. And the answer, you have to write it over here. Now, there are how many tens in 6800? Now, pay attention over here, my dear children. This sum is very important. Pay attention over here. How many tens? See over here, this is the ones house, this one is the tens house, this one is the hundreds house, and this one is the thousands house. So, keep in mind, when it's talking about how many, you have to do it in tens. So, keeping the tens last, you have to cancel whatever is there that lies in this house. So, in this house lies only ones. So, you will cancel this ones, and whatever remains with the tens, you will write it over here. My dear children, it's clear to you? So, you have to cancel whatever lies over there after tens, and you have to take from this side, that is from tens, 100, 1000. I'm clear to you? So, whatever the answer will be here, it will be 680. So, that you have to write it over here. You will cancel the ones place. Then 7007 minus 700. So what you have to do with the ones house, you will do the calculation with the ones house. So that is 7 minus 0. Whatever comes you will write. Then tens house, 0 minus 0. Whatever comes you will write over there. Then this 0 and this 7. You will write it over here. Just see what happens. And then last whatever remains with this, you have to do the adjustment. And you have to write the answer over here. Then 500 divided by 50. This sum. See very nicely. Shadow is coming. This sum. See very nicely. When divide comes, what you have to do when divide comes? You have to cancel this. Only in division you can do it. Only in division you can do it. You can cancel this 2 ones house. Okay. See over here it's cancelled. So what remains? 5 and 50. You know very nicely, my dear children. 5 odds are 50. 5 tens are 50. And then the same thing with this. Cut this 0 in case of division. Ones house. The same numbers you can cut. Then 4 wards are 40. 4 tens are 40. So 10 plus 10. Whatever is, you write it over here. Now 3 gross. 1 gross. Keep this in mind, my children. 1 gross equals to 12 dozens or 144 units. This is the meaning of 1 gross. So 1 gross means 12 dozens. 1 gross means 12 dozens. So what it will be? So 3 gross means how many dozens? 12 into 3. So whatever is, you will write it over here. 13 tens and 5 ones. 13 tens and 5 ones means 135. Minus 13 fives are, you know very nicely what it comes. Multiplication table, I will not tell you. You have to do it yourself. Write it over here. 3 hours and 10 minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. 3 hours, 3 6 are what? You know very nicely 3 6 are what? With that you have to add this 10 and the answer will be over here. So my dear children, this page is clear to you, I think so. So I'll go to the next page. I'll rub the board. Now exercise 2. A. 6,800 equals to 5,000 and how many hundreds? So what it will be? 5,000. With this you have to minus this 5,000 to do the minus of it. Now you see whatever it comes, you do mentally. This it comes. So 1800. How you have to write? 100 is already given over here. So what number you will write over here? You do it yourself. You can do it yourself. Okay? Then number B. 12 tens minus 30 equals to how much? 12 tens means 120. 120 minus 30 is how much? You have to write it over here. Okay, I will not tell you. Then the next sum is you have to convert it to rupees and paisa. That is 9504. That is 9,504 paisa is given to you. Now what you have to do with this? You have to change it to rupees and paisa. So this is a very simple rule. What you have to do? 9504 paisa. You have to convert it into rupees and paisa. So it will be rupees and paisa. So my dear children, pay attention over here. You count this 1's house and count this 10's house. This 2 house, this 1's house and 10's house is for paisa. And the remaining whatever houses are there is for rupees. Okay, my dear children, keep this in mind. So what it will be? 95.04 paisa. And after paisa you give a point. Okay, I'm very sorry. Before this paisa of the 2 house you give a point. Then it denotes paisa. Then D sum, my dear children. 7 into what equals to 7 into 10 plus 7 into 3. Now in your previous class, my dear children who were there in my class, I did the sum like this. Many sums I did like this with you. 7 tens are and 7 threes are. Over here also is talking about 7's table. So what you will do? 10 plus 3, direct. 10 plus 3, whatever comes you will write over here. That is 7 13's are. So you can do it yourself. This I did. So when the tables are of the same, 7's table, 7's table, 7's table. And when it's talking about this and it wants how much, then you have to count this 2. Okay? If minus, you have to do the minus work. Now E. Which number is 13 less than 780? 13 less than 780. You know, my dear children, what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction of it. Then product of 15 and 12. So what is the meaning of product? Product is the result of multiplication. What is product? Product is the result of multiplication. Like sum is the result of addition, difference is the result of subtraction. Product is the answer of multiplication. So the answer means product means multiplication result. So you know 15 12's are, you have to do it, write it over here. Now G number sum, rupees 1400 plus rupees 2520. This you have to add and you have to write the rupees. Add the ones with this ones. Then vertically you have to do the addition. Then 2 plus 4. Then 5 plus 4. Then 2 plus 1. Like this you will do the addition. You will see that the addition becomes very easy. Okay. Then number h I cancelled. Number h is cancelled because the prime factors of 112 we have not done yet. That's why I cancelled this. Now I, some number I, 36 minus how much plus 10 equals to 40. Dear children, pay attention in this sum. Please pay attention. 30 minus how much added with 10 gives the answer 40. Now let's see. Nothing is given over here means it's a plus. When nothing is given over here, it is plus. That is addition. So we will put the addition in one side. So 30 and 10 is how much? Do it mentally. 30 and 10 is how much? 40. And over here it is given. And over here it is given. Oh, my dear children, I am very sorry. It is 36 over here. 36. So 36 and 10 is how much? 46. So 36 and 10 is how much? 46. And over here it is given 40. So what you have to subtract? So the two sides will be same. So 46 minus 40 is how much? 6. And this is how you do your sums. See the board again. See the board again. This is how you have to do the sums. I explained the sums to you. You do it, and in your next class I'm going to do 2 more pages. Okay, my dear children? Okay. So till then, bye-bye. Stay safe in your house. And listen stories from your grandparents, from your parents. Play with them, because you know, my dear children, parents are the best guide. Okay. And they are the best friend of yours. Okay. Try to spend time with them. You will be happy. My dear children, bye-bye. Stay safe. Bye.